Good morning, student. I, Purnima, welcome you to my class. And children, today we are going to do a new poem that is geography lesson. It is written by Julfikar Ghosh. So, who is the poet? So, student, Julfikar Ghosh is the poet of this lesson. Well, children, in this poem, let me tell you the background of the poem before explaining it. In this poem, the poet is telling when he used to wander in the city, he used to feel that the city is not well planned. Why? Because he might have seen bridges are somewhere else, airport is somewhere else, railway station is somewhere else, some of the colonies are there, the stadium is somewhere else. So children, this feeling he has in his mind that the cities are not well planned, right? Now, one day he sat on the aeroplane and that aeroplane flew high. Okay, while flying high, when he saw from the aeroplane the scene of the ground, then children, when the jet plane where he was sitting, when it took off, okay, the sky was clear at that time, there was no cloud. Okay, the poet looked down from the window, and children, then what did he see? He saw that the cities are well planned. This is the first point of the cities are well planned. So children, when the poet, when he used to wander in the ground, when he was in the ground, till that day, I think he did not sat on a plane. So till now, what he was thinking, that the city are not well planned. It is not, the areas are not, children, the colonies and the roads and that things are not made in a planned manner. So he was thinking that all the city is not well planned. So when he sat on a jet plane, when the jet plane took off, and children, he was, maybe he was sitting, maybe no, he was sitting near the window, and when he looked down from the window, what did he saw? First thing he saw that the cities are well planned. Okay, so but on ground it looked without plan or order. So children, when on ground the same cities look without plan or order. It had numerous lanes and houses without style or symmetry. He's telling that he felt when he was walking on the ground that it had numerous lanes. Numerous means various, and houses without styles or symmetry. Now children, again one day he sat on a plane, and this time the plane was flying at the height of 10,000 feet high above the sea level. Again he looked below, and children, he realized the logic of geography. Okay, so when again he said, he realized the logic of geography. And what logic, children? He realized that it was clear that every country are situated on the river banks. That all the countries are situated at the river bank. I think I should write this word neatly, isn't it? Otherwise you won't be able to understand. Okay, so children, again when he sat on the plane and when the plane took off 10,000 feet high above the sea level, what did he saw? He realized the logic of geography. All the countries are situated on the river bank. Okay. And children, it became too clear on him. Secondly, the people live chief in the valleys. And what other thing he saw? The people lived on the valleys. So he saw many houses, okay, in the valley area. Okay, rather than living, they were not living on the mountain slopes, they were living in the valleys. And what else he realized? That mostly all the countries, they are situated on the river banks, near the river bank. So children, this was the logic he has realized. It became clear to him. And we all know that children, lands and water are primary needs of life. They attract people. So they are the primary needs of life. They attract people. When the plane rose as high above the ground as 6 miles, the earth looked round. It had more water than land. When the plane rose as high above the ground as 6 miles, the earth looked round. Okay, now children, again, now this is the first time children, when he was roaming on the ground, he saw the cities are not well planned. So when he sat, okay, he realized on the plane, then when the jet plane took off, what he realized, what he saw, the cities are well planned. Secondly, when again he sat on the ground, when the plane was flight to 10,000 flight high, then what did he saw? He saw that all the countries are situated on the river bank and the people lived in the valleys. Okay, they were not living in the mountains. Now third time, let's see what he saw. When third time children he sat on the plane, okay, again when the jet plane took off, and when the plane rose as high as above the ground as 6 miles. So this time the plane rose as high above the ground as 6 miles. The earth looked round. Then children, he saw that the earth looked round. What did he saw? And he felt that the whole earth it seems to be round. It had more water than land. And what else he saw? More water than land. So this two things, when he sat on the plane for the third time, and the plane rose very heavy high from the sea ground. It rose children 6 miles the earth from the ground. Okay, he was 6 miles above from the ground. Then children, he realized that the earth looked round. It had more water than land. It had more water than land. The poet understood the reason why it was so. Now children, in all the three cases, the poet understood the reason why that was so. Okay, but he could not see one logic. He could not understand one thing, that why the lands are being divided. Okay, so children, he realized, he saw all this thing. First thing what he realized, the cities are well planned. Second thing what he realized, that the cities are situated on the, mostly the cities are situated on the, near the river banks, and generally people are settled in the valleys. Third thing he realized, when the plane flew very high, he realized children, the earth looked round. He himself has seen from the plane, and more water is there on than the land on the earth. But he could not understand one thing, student. And what was that? The poet could not understand one thing. And student, what was that? It was first, why the divisions of land were there, are there, we can say. Why people hates each other, why people kill each other. Okay, so again when he children sat on the plane, this thing he was not able to realize that why division of land is there, why boundaries are drawn between the land. Okay, why the division of lands are there, why boundaries are there. Like children, you can say Bagha border is there between India and Pakistan. A assumed boundary is there. Nobody can go across the border area from, if anybody want to cross to Bagha border from India to Pakistan, they can never do by their own wish. If urgently required, they have to take permission from the government, and similarly vice versa. Okay, so he don't know this earth is being provided to us by God. This earth, Mother Earth, belongs to everyone. Then why there is a boundary drawn between the two countries or between the two lands? Then why people hate each other? Why people are jealous? Why people insult? Why people hurt? Okay, why people, there is so much hatred between the people? Simply because he is Pakistani, we should hate him. He is Chinese, we should hate him. Why people hate each other? Why they don't like, instead of living in love, they hate each other. If somebody is having enough money, then also the hatred is there, jealousy is there. If somebody is rising a bit, okay, then, or he is having a wonderful beautiful house or a many car, the people will hate each other. If a career is there of some people, then the people feel jealous. So he is not able to think why is that, why people are behaving in that manner. And children, why people went madly after one's other throat, they catch the throat, they kill each other, they murder each other. Then there is a war, lot of people and innocent lives are lost when there is a bomb blast. Okay, and when the bullet is shot, or when the tank children, due to dropping of the bomb, so many losses of life are there. Not only losses of life, but financially also, the financial loss is also seen in the war. So he is not able to understand that why people behave like that. Okay, so in a nutshell, the poet is telling that when he sat on the plane for the first time, let me revise once again quickly before explaining you the poem. Children, when he sat on the plane for the first time, what did he realize? The cities are very well planned. When he was to be on the ground. So students, my dear children, when he was there, when Zulfikar Ghosh, he felt, when he was on the ground, what he felt? He felt that why the cities are not planned, they are not in order. But when he sat on the plane for the first time, what did he feel? He felt as a city are very well planned. Everything is in order. This he did not realize when he was walking on the ground. Second thing, children, again when he sat on the plane, what did he felt? He felt it is the children, that why he felt that all the countries are situated on the river banks, and generally people lives in the valley, they don't live in the mountain. Okay, they attract river, they and seas, they attract people. Children, land and water are the primary needs of life. We all cannot live in the air or water, and we need water to drink every day. So we cannot escape from these two things. So he understood the reason that why we are there, why we human beings prefer to live near the river banks and on land, on the valley area. Again, children, when the plane rose this time very high, what he realized, in fact, he had seen that the whole earth appeared to be round. And children, there is a river, he felt again, in fact, he not felt, he was sure that water body is more than the land. Okay, so this thing he was sure. Now he could not see any logic behind the division of land by raising walls of bricks and heated. But now one thing he could not understand, and what was that? Why the division of lands are there, why the boundaries are there between two countries, why people hate each other, insult each other, there is jealousy among people. Okay, and why do people kill each other? So this he was not able to realize. Okay, so student, now I am going to read the poem, and finally I am going to revise the poem. When the jet sprang into the sky, it was clear why the city had developed the way it had. Seeing it scaled 6 inches to the mile, there seemed an inevitability about what on ground had looked haphazard, unplanned and without style. When the jet sprang into the sky. When the, now stanza 2 student, when the jet reached 10,000 feet high, it was clear why the country had city where the rivers ran and why the valleys were populated, the logic of geography. The land and water attracted man was clearly delineated when the jet reached 10,000 feet high. Stanza 3rd now, student. When the jet rose 6 miles high, it was clear the earth was round and that it had more sea than water, than land. Than that it had more sea than land, but it was difficult to understand that the man on the earth found causes to hate each other, to build wall across cities, and to kill from that height. It was not clear why. Okay, so children, the reading of the poem is done, and now the explanation of the poem is there, and you have to write, children, new words also. We are going now explanation of stanza 1. Okay, when the jet sprang into the sky. Jet is a, you can write the word meaning, children. Jet is a jet aeroplane. Right? Jet is a jet aeroplane. It was clear why the city had developed the way it had. Seeing it scaled 6 inches to the mile, there seemed an inevitability. So first of all, sprang. Sprang means Okay, these are the meaning of the new word, student. Let's read one again. Jet means jet aeroplane. Sprang means moved up or went up. Inevitability means something unavoidable. Haphazard, without proper order. So these are the meaning of new word. And now student, I am going to do the explanation. When the jet sprang into the sky. Now so here the poet is sitting on the plane, the narrator is sitting on the jet plane which went up into the sky. It was clear why the city had developed the way it had. And then children, he realized for the first time that the city are not well planned, which he should think when he was roaming on the ground. When he went on the sat on the jet plane, and when the jet plane flew high, then he realized that all the cities are very much planned. Okay, they are in order. They had developed the way which they should have been. Seeing it scaled 6 inches to the mile. Okay, and children, the poet saw, okay, the poet saw that the city, okay, the city, he saw that when the city scaled 6 inches to the mile, there seemed any inevitability. He saw that he cannot avoid, something cannot be avoided about what on ground had looked haphazard. That children, what on the ground looked haphazard. Haphazard means not in proper order. And he thought when he was walking on the ground, he used to think that the city unplanned and without a style. There's no style, and the whole city is made in an unplanned manner. When the jet sprang into the sky, when the jet flew into the sky. So then children, for the first time what he felt, that all the city are in order, or the city are in well planned, they are developed as they should have been. Now we will come to the second paragraph. Sorry, second stanza. Stanza 2. When the jet reached the 10,000 feet high, it was clear why the country had cities where the rivers ran and why the valleys were populated. The logic of geography. Now here the word is logic. Logic here means reason. Logic of geography. And children, delineated that land and water attracted means fascinated. Attracted man, fascinated man. And was clearly delineated when the jet reached 10,000 feet. Okay, so these four words are the new words here. Delineated means shown. So these are the new words from stanza 3. Logic means reason. Attracted means fascinated. Delineated means shown. Okay. So here the poet is telling, when the jet reached 10,005. Now he is sitting on a plane which is rising 10,000 feet high. It was clear why the country and city where the rivers ran and why the valleys were populated. These are the key lines of the poem, children, stanza 2. Then he felt that why the cities are near the river bank, and then also he felt the second thing, that the valleys are more populated. That means number of people living in the valley is much more than living in the mountain slopes. The logic of geography, the land and water attracted man. Now he understood the reason, the logic of geography, that children, why the mans are living near the water bank, or they are much more man are seeing on the valleys, because children, the land and valleys, they always fascinated mankind, as it was the primary need of all the human being. Was clearly delineated when the jet reached 10,000 feet. And children, this was clearly shown when he sat on the jet plane which flew above the sea level, which flew 10,000 feet high. Okay, so this is what he felt. Okay, now when the jet rose 6 miles high, now stanza 3, when the jet rose 6 miles high, it was clear the earth was round and that it had more sea than land, but it was difficult to understand that the men on the earth found causes to hate each other, to build wall across city, and to kill from the height. It was not clear why. So he is telling once again, children, when he rose this time on the jet plane, which rose, children, 6 miles high this time. Okay, he felt that the earth was round. What did he felt? He felt from when he sat on the plane, he felt that the earth was round and that it had more sea than land, and water body is much more than the land. But it was difficult to understand that the men on the earth found causes to hate each other. But it was difficult to understand that the man on the earth found causes to hate each other. Now, but one thing he is not able to understand, that why man hate each other, why man insult each other, why man hurt each other. Okay. Wall across cities and to kill. Not only that, children, walls are made across the city, boundaries are made across the city, and there is a boundary between India and Pakistan. We cannot cross that boundary without permission. Okay, if we will cross, that it means breaking the law, breaking the rules of the country. We cannot, if very urgently it required that we should go, so student, what we have to do, we have to take permission from the government, then only we can cross. So he is thinking this earth is made by God and everybody can use it. Then why these boundaries and crossing boundaries and walls are built across the children here, across the cities. And children, the other important thing he realizes, that it is a human being who killed each other. Why man kill each other? Why man murder each other? Why instead of having a beautiful relationship between two human beings, they are killing each other? Okay, just for the sake of money, just because of war, just because of hatred, people are killing each other. So why they are doing though? Well, they could have solved in a peaceful manner. Everything could have solved in a very peaceful manner. Okay, so why there is so much hatred? Why people insult? Why people kill each other? Okay, why people hate each other? And why boundaries are made? So this is not able to understand. It is very difficult to understand from that height. Okay, that why people hate and kill one another. So children, with this I end my poem here. Thank you and have a nice day ahead. With this I conclude my video here. Good day.